So I just bought my first house and I'm super excited to light it and have it all perfectly the way that I want. So I found these. They're really cool. They're by Lumenology and they're motion detector lights that I'm super excited about.
Now the magical thing about this is it's magnetic. Look at this.
Look, I can see all my clothes and it's like midnight and it feels like it's daylight in here. If I have some tricky places, it came with this great stand. You can either just prop it up or I can actually like wrap it around things like certain poles that I might have.
Pulls it down just how you need it, right in your beautiful workspace here.
I'm getting so much light out of my Lumenology lights that I'm not going to get from my porch light. I can see perfectly what I'm doing on the grill, and I even have one for the top rack too. This is awesome.
And it takes up to 13 feet out with a 100-degree spread like this. It's not only the amount of money that you can save by not having to hire a contractor to install, thousands of dollars worth of lighting, but it's also amazing for safety. It's really, really helpful. So if you're in an emergency situation or you just need to change some oil and it happens to be dark out, this is pretty nifty, huh?
What's cool too is that it's waterproof. So anytime it rains, it's good to go. So if you're looking for something that's a better alternative than a flashlight, convenient, Lumenology.